in for Dan, who's still on his travels. Hopefully be back. I think he's going to be back in the next few days actually to the UK, but he's traveling all over the shop and working very, very hard. So that's why you have to put up with me. And hopefully you'll get to see Dan next week. So let's get straight in. It's not going to be a long one today. We do have some important things to go through, but really it's just updating on some of the projects and also give you some news on some events that have already happened. So we're going to look at the Leaders Summit, Directors Program, Leo Gold, Digital Market Service, and events. So the first one, obviously, the Leaders Summit. Now, as you will have read, if you've read your emails, or you were on last week's webinar, that we've extended the qualification period for the Leaders Summit that is going to be held here in the UK. So for each and every one of you, if you've not qualified already, there still is time, because you've got to the 30th of April to qualify. Now, all you need to do is introduce someone, if you haven't already, after the 17th of November 2017, and help them get to associate by the 30th of April. And as the vast majority of you online will have anyway have introduced someone in that time frame, then just go to work and help them to get to associate, and you can join us on what is going to be one amazing leadership summit. Not only will you get to visit the United Kingdom and everything that has to offer, you'll get to go to the corporate headquarters and meet all the staff, put faces to names and all that sort of lovely stuff. You'll also get to do all the sightseeing in London with changing the guard at Buckingham Palace. You'll also get to see Stonehenge, go to Bath and dinner and all the other things that we've got lined up for you. So it's going to be an amazing event. And I guess the question is, why wouldn't you want to come? Why not help somebody to move towards their dreams, plans and goals by actually helping them get to associate and get a reward yourself by being able to come to that? So really look forward to seeing you at it. There's over 67 qualified already, something like that. So I'm looking forward to seeing a lot more qualify for that. And it would be nice for us to welcome you to the UK, because we're always going everywhere else and you're welcoming us to your countries. It would be really nice to welcome you to the UK and show you what we have to offer. Next one is the Directors Program. Now, we've been talking about this now for a number of weeks, but it is important to get the message out, because firstly, the Directors Program is a tremendous thing anyway. It's been updated, it's been tweaked, it's now even better, I believe, but there's still people out there that haven't completed their Directors Program contract. And you need to do that to actually join and be able to be part of the bonus payments that are receivable there. So obviously, when your network bonus reaches £4,000 a month, you're entitled to an additional £2,000 within the Directors Program. But on your way to that, little stepping stones helping you get there, when your network bonus reaches £2,000, then you can receive an additional bonus because of that of £500. And when your network bonus reaches £3,000, your new director will receive a bonus of £1,000. So it's a really worthwhile program. Quite baffling why directors wouldn't complete the contract, send it back so they can participate. And the other good thing is the first 6 months of 2018, existing directors and above can also benefit from those rewards at the lower levels as well. So get the contract, get it filled in and sent back so that you can benefit from those lovely bonuses. Leo Gold. As you know, I love talking about gold, particularly Leo Gold, and we're really now starting to see some great traction with Leo Gold. More and more members are starting to realize that a gold pack plus a DMS is a really smart thing to do. It doesn't matter whether it's a 1 month pack or whether it's a 4 month pack or whether it's a 12-month pack. But the benefit of a gold pack is the new member, your new team member, is able to benefit from the original standard compensation plan that Leo has, but then also is able to participate in the earnings, so the residual earnings element, which is generated with the autosave product within Gold. So when you bring in a new member into the team, I would really recommend that you help them to purchase a gold pack and then combine with that a 12-month DMS, because obviously the DMS is really now turning very, very quickly into our joint #1 selling product. And that's really, really good news, because it's such a great thing. It's so good to be able to pay your money, buy the service, and then let professionals get on with all of the hard stuff as regards hardware and algorithms and mining and selling and buying and all that stuff. And you can just sit back and relax, let the professionals do the work, and then receive your monthly payment, your reward from all of that activity. And those of you that have already received that, I'm sure you're absolutely over the moon with what you've received. And if you haven't, then why don't you speak to someone in your upline and see how they've got on with the DMS service. So it's certainly something that with gold, I think is a great combination. We also have our very first Leo Gold limited edition collector's coin, and these are very, very limited in the run. We're not running thousands of these things, okay? It's a very small run because it's the first run. You have the ability to purchase one of these. If you've got a 12-month gold pack, then you can receive a 10% discount by using your limited edition collector's card that you get within your pack. If you're not, then you'll have to pay the full price. But whichever, it's still a tremendously valuable product to have, and to have the first one, which will become part of a set of 5. So I would recommend that if you really have your eye on one of these, you don't delay, and that you actually get yours ordered now, because you don't want to be disappointed. And when we certainly get to Mauritius, then any coins that we do have that have been purchased will be delivered in Mauritius to the members that are there. So it's really a case of, you know, don't sit on the wall, get the thing ordered today. And it'd be a great sales tool as well when you're talking to people about Leo Gold, to be able to pull out that coin and actually show them it, so they can feel it, they can feel the weight of the gold, and etc. And it's a 1 ounce coin. Someone said to me on Saturday, actually, well, how heavy is it? And I said, well, it's an ounce. That's why it's called a 1 ounce coin. But when you actually put it in your hand and hold it, it feels heavy. For the size of it, it feels heavy. I think you're sort of thinking, oh gosh, that feels a lot heavier than I thought it would, but it weighs an ounce. That's why it's called a 1 ounce coin. So the call to action for gold is purchase your own Leo Gold pack if you haven't already. That's the only way that you will be authorized and licensed to market Leo Gold autosave. It also means that you can then participate in the passive residual income that can be generated from customers ordering gold on a monthly basis. Without it, you can't be. Revisit your list and make calls to invite people to join the team, because now we have a new proposition. They may well not have understood learning. They may well not have understood Leo Crowd or digital currency or any of the other projects that we have. And they may well understand gold. So it's an opportunity for you to go back to your list. Introduce at least 2 new personal team members to Leo Gold. Help your team to purchase a Leo Gold pack so they can become licensed and start marketing gold as an autosave product. Sign up to autosave for yourself when it comes, and attend the first Leo Gold live seminar tour, where you'll be taught and licensed how you can actually market gold and how you can create that passive residual income. If you've got any questions, feel free to email us at the office, or of course you could also visit the Leo Gold website, where there's a lot of great information there as well. So we sort of touched on the DMS when I was talking about gold, but again, this is a fantastic product. You know, when you look out in the marketplace and you see the other companies that will offer a similar service, I say similar, not exactly the same, but a similar service, this is priced very, very favorably for a 12-month digital market service, where the professionals do the work for you, and you can sit back and relax and watch your returns come in each month from that activity. And it's also a very, you know, good way for you to be involved in cryptocurrency without needing the expertise, the hardware, the electricity, etc., do it yourself. So I really recommend it to each and every one of you. If you're sat on the fence thinking, well, I don't know, you know, maybe I'll wait and see. Well, don't wait too long, because, you know, it's been live now for over 3 months. There's been 3 payments made, and the people that have had their returns on those first 3 payments have already recouped over 50% of the purchase price of the 12-month service. So it's going very, very, very well. If you purchase a DMS from April 1st through to the end of April, then your contract start date will be the 1st of July, with your first payment being due, or reward being due, on the 31st of July. And just for a point of reference, the March reward was £140. So very, very good returns. And, you know, the team are doing tremendously well there as they develop this. And, you know, it's a big operation. This is not an easy thing to be able to offer this service worldwide to all of our members. So if you've got any questions, again, email the office, speak to team support. They're all there to help you all of the time. So Momentum, we had our first Momentum event on Saturday, which was in Istanbul in Turkey. And Mihir and I flew out. It was a great event, as you can see from some of the pictures there. You can see the leaders there, the ones that were involved with recognition and things. And you know, there were a lot of big checks handed out there as well to directors and marketing directors and all the other people that have been recognized. But we had a tremendous day. And the day went so quickly. We started at 10 a.m. in the morning, and it went right the way through to 5 o'clock. And it seemed to just fly by, but there was a lot of enthusiasm in the room. There was a lot of good energy in the room. And there was certainly a lot of excitement when Mihir announced some of the major developments that have happened within the company at that event. And if you were there, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And if you weren't, well, then maybe you should go to the next one, or you may well be going to one of the next ones, so you'll find out when we see you. But great energy, great crowd. It was lovely to see leaders from all over the world and members, and we had lots of brand new people there that hadn't actually joined the team yet, and that was good too, because they were able to experience the enthusiasm and the excitement in the room and see people's rewards and the recognition that they got. Dan also came into the event via satellite on Skype, bless him, and gave his presentation to the team. So the team were very, very happy to see him to be able to do that as well. So congratulations to everybody that was there. It was great to spend time with you. Look forward to seeing you all again real soon, and look forward to seeing the positive results that come out from what you learned at that event, and how you develop your team and move everything forward. So we had a lot of meetings with leaders and teams after the main event and put some real good plans in place to be able to really start getting some of the smaller markets a lot bigger. So there was members there from, I think, 14 countries in total, and some had flown a long way. Colombia, I think, was the furthest that a member had flown from. So many congratulations, but great event, really enjoyed it. And then just some updates on China, really, let you know what's going on there. Here you can see some pictures of a merchant introduction meeting in the office, and that was Fujian. And what we're seeing there now is more and more of the Chinese team are introducing merchants really well to Leo, and merchants are now wanting to start taking Leo coin for payment for different products, goods and services that they offer. And there's been a real sort of surge of this, and Wendy Lee's been heading this up with the team in China there, and with Stone and some of the other main leaders there, to ensure that, you know, Leo coin's relevant, it's in the marketplace, and we can actually use it to buy products, goods and services. So great work there by all of the team. And here's some merchants that actually will accept Leo coin as ready as payment. So you've got a beauty spa there, you can see in the picture there. There's also a restaurant, there's also a travel agent that's now come on. These are all new ones. So then this is, again, great, because this sees and shows everybody that, you know, Leo coin is a real coin. It's a coin that can be used in the marketplace. And in a country like China, which isn't the easiest country to do business in, to see the members bringing on great merchants like this is just tremendously exciting. And, you know, we look forward to seeing everybody doing this. And if you're going to be in Mauritius, then stay tuned. There's some news about the merchant program, which I'm sure going to excite you all. Here's a team meeting for the Shanghai team, headed up in their office there. And a lot of our Chinese leaders have their own offices, so they're able to hold events and meetings and things like that. So they were getting together to strategize what they're going to be doing in the coming months and to plan out ready for the cruise that's coming up in China. And then here we also have some leaders that are holding a meeting and talking about the benefits of POS and Leo coin and the wallet and all of the other stuff that goes along with it. So education, that's the key, isn't it? Learn, earn, own. And what they're doing is they're educating. So they're helping people to learn about POS and learn about the Leo coin wallet, so that they fully understand exactly what is available to them and how they can benefit from those things. And we like to see this. We like to see all of the meetings that are going on in the team meetings. So if you're holding team meetings, if you're holding events around the world or in your own country, then, you know, take some pictures, send them in to events@welcometoleo.com, because then we can talk about them and we can see what you're up to, and, you know, may well that we can support you depending what you're up to. We obviously, on our next stage of the Momentum Tour, are hot-footing it off to China and Hong Kong weekend after this. we've got we start on Friday and we go through the Sunday morning. And this event, because of the scale of it, over 1,100 members who qualified from the Asia region will be at that event. We're actually holding it on a cruise ship, and that's got some advantages to it. Not only there's casinos and things, which I'm sure the members will love in the downtime, but it means we can all be together in one place. Everybody's safe and secure, and we can have a lot of fun. And of course, it's nice to do something different. So Dan's obviously the headline speaker for that, and me here, and I'm there as well. We're going to have a lot of recognition. It's a big event, and there's a big crowd, so we're very much looking forward to that. For any of you that are going and have qualified to be there, then any problems at all, then please contact events@welcometoleo.com or cn.support@welcometoleo.com, depending where you are in the world. Then after that, the next part of Momentum will be in the Ivory Coast on Saturday, the 26th of May. And that's Dan and myself. Me here won't be at that one physically. He may well come in via satellite. And tickets for that, so it's only £10. Now, I know that seems a long way away because we're talking the end of May. In reality, it isn't. We've only got, a few weeks before we're going to be in Mauritius, and then when we get back from Mauritius, it's a couple of weeks before we're here. So don't sort of sit on the fence and procrastinate. If you've got team members you're going to send, get them to get their tickets now. If you've got prospects you want to send along, then get them their tickets now, because these events will sell out. We only have 500 seats at this venue and at the other venue in Africa, which the Africa team are already saying that's not enough. So, if you're outside of Africa, then I would definitely get those tickets quickly. Because otherwise you're going to be disappointed. And then on Sunday, the 27th of May, we'll be in Cameroon. So Saturday in the Ivory Coast and Sunday in Cameroon. Again, Dan and I, me here, more than likely by satellite. £10 is the ticket cost, which is, it's almost not worth talking about. For a full day event with your lunch and your refreshments, etc., etc., etc. Tremendous value for money. But more importantly, it's the energy you're going to pick up when you're there. It's the tips and the techniques you're going to pick up from on stage and off stage while you're there. And to give you the enthusiasm to want to get out and really get on building your business. Because, when we get into May, end of May, we're getting to the halfway point of the year, would you believe? So for those of you that are sort of, oh, I might go, I might not go, make the decision to go and participate, be part of the team, be part of the excitement, be part of the momentum by coming to one of those events. Mauritius, well, between all of that, we're sliding Mauritius in, as you know, and the agenda and all the information is now on the Mauritius website, which you can see the URL on the screen there. And also, please do be on top of your emails, because a lot of information will be sent out by the media team via email to you about Mauritius, and you don't want to miss anything and then get there and realize that you've not brought everything you need or whatever. So keep on top of the website, keep on top of your emails. Any questions whatsoever, email the office at events@welcometoleo.com, because we want to make sure everybody arrives there safely, everybody's got what they need when they get there, and that you have the most wonderful 8 days, 7 nights of your life in paradise, which will end with an enormous party where Mr. Anderson will be revealing the location of the 2019 Global Annual Conference, and also the incentive of how that will be working for you to be able to actually earn a place to be there. Now that event, the 2019 Global Annual Conference, will be in March of 2019, so it's being brought forward. So make sure that you're ready, make sure that you're getting the information out to your team, and that everybody is able to actually participate in the incentive to be there. We're doubling up the space, so we've got over 760 places available for that venue in 2019. It's going to be an amazing event, and we're really looking forward to getting that all organized and being able to present it to you in Mauritius on the very last night as we have our farewell party. That leads us on to Morocco and the executive trip, which is the 5th to the 9th of October. And I was chatting to one of the guys, new guys, when I was in Turkey at the weekend, and he was asking me, what's the big deal about executive, and why do I want to go on an executive trip and all that sort of thing, which are fair enough questions to ask. I guess really this is the best way to sum it up. Firstly, the earnings. because to get to executive, you're going to earn good money. And then when you're an executive and you start pushing through and up through the ranks, then it's the earnings. Of course it is, because, you know, we're in a business and we want each of our members to make money. Recognition, well, I think everybody likes that. And to be recognized as a leader, to be recognized as someone that's actually building a great foundation for their business is always a cool thing. It means you're part of a team. That's good too. That you can actually, you know, be part of the leadership team. And it's a lifetime experience. And I can't really sell that to you in words. It's better that you go to the Executive Trip website and watch some of the videos of previous executive trips that we've done. And I think once you've seen that, you'll be very much motivated to go. This is a reward for helping people in your business to develop. You develop yourself, you earn as you're doing so, and you're learning as you're doing so, and you get rewarded with an extra trip. Now, you must reach executive rank by the 30th of June to be able to join us in the upcoming Morocco trip from the 5th to the 9th of October. So if you're not executive yet, maybe ask yourself why. Maybe set a goal to get to Morocco and to join the rest of the leaders there. You know, it's not an easy thing to do, but it's also not that hard. It's about really having a plan. It's about implementing the plan, and it's also about taking your eyes off yourself and helping other people in your team to develop and to earn and to learn. And by doing that enough, you will also benefit yourself. So why don't you set that goal to come join us in Morocco? I mean, who doesn't like a free trip, let alone the type of trip that Leo puts on, which is always top end, top notch, and a fantastic lifestyle experience. So call to action for the week. The Leaders Summit, the qualification period is extended to the 30th of April. Now, there's plenty of you. There's about 162 of you that I can see in the list that are nearly there, but not there. And you just need that extra little bit of push in the next couple of weeks to actually get yourselves to be able to come to the UK and to come on that great trip and to hang out with all of those other leaders. And you know, you can learn so much outside of the conference environment when you're talking about strategies and ideas. Also, if you haven't already, you need to buy your Leo Gold pack so you qualify for the gold compensation plan, and so you can be trained and licensed to market the AutoSave product. Digital market services available in your back office. Use it to recruit. It's a tremendous recruiting tool. It's a great way to open a conversation. Have you ever considered in participating in the digital crypto market space? What a great opening up. Well, I thought about it, but I don't know anything about it. Well, that's great. Let me show you how we can help. And if you buy in April, then you get a July reward. And finally, the tickets for Africa. So for yourself, for your team, for any of your contacts and prospects that you want to send along to those meetings, don't delay. Don't leave it till after Mauritius and think you'll be fine to get tickets in. Get the tickets today. And if you've got a team, then get a load of tickets for your team. But get the tickets, because when they're gone, they're gone. We have no ability to extend the seating number in these two venues, and we also don't have any ability to do another meeting because we're obviously Saturday in the Ivory Coast and Sunday we're going to be in Cameroon, so there's no chance to throw in another meeting. Also, don't forget, in your diary, 16th of April, Mr. Dan Anderson, your president and CEO, will be hosting the webinar. So tune in, listen to what Dan has to share with you, because he's been away for a couple of weeks now, working hard, and I know he's going to have lots of information to share with you. So have a great week. Make today, make tomorrow and the rest of the week count, and get yourself moving towards your ultimate destination, your dreams, plans, and goals. Because together with Leo, you can learn, you can earn, and you can own whatever it is that you want to achieve. Take care, guys. Great speaking to you, and I look forward to seeing you all over the top.